Hey everyone, it's my first time trying to paint a winter scene, so let's see how it goes. So I've already painted the base, let's go ahead with the trees. For the trees I'm not using black, it might seem so in the video, but it's black with a hint of titanium white and uranium blue. We're just gonna add more trees to it. We've added trees to both the sides. After this, we're just gonna add some highlights to the trees. We're gonna mix a bit of titanium white to the mixture and paint the border of the trees with it. It's gonna give some depth to the trees. Now we are gonna paint the background trees with a brighter color. It's more like a gray. After we are done with the tree, we are gonna go ahead with the snow. We are gonna use a fan brush and mix titanium white with a hint of uranium blue. We are not using pure titanium white because later I would like to add some white highlights at the top. We are just gonna tap the fan brush on the branches of the trees to make snowflakes. After this, we will take a liner brush and use the same mixture to paint the border of the trees. It will give an effect of snowflakes being collected on the branches. Now we are going to move towards the bottom of our painting. As you can see, I've already painted the road. Now we are going to paint the snowflakes on the road. For this, I'm using titanium white with a bit of deep magenta. I'm adding this color because later I want to add the same color also to the branches of our trees, as it will give some color to our painting. Now we have moved towards the side of the painting. I have used two shades of brown, a darker and a brighter one. This is to add some depth to the painting. Now we're just gonna go ahead and paint some snowflakes on the sides. As I said earlier, now we are going to go and add some mixture of titanium white and deep magenta above our snowflakes near our branches. Now I am going to go over my trees again, add a few more branches. The more branches you make, the more natural your painting will look. And now I'm just gonna add some last touch-ups, and I think I'm done with this. This is my first attempt, so this is how it turned out. Thank you for watching.